Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Zebronics Zeb-Crisp Pro web camera. This is a small box. There are some information on the top, like this web camera comes with a USB interface. It has a built-in mic. It has a 5-pixel camera and it supports a resolution of 1280 into 720. One extra information, which is that this particular webcam comes with a cable that is 1.58 meters long. That's a substantially long cable. So let's take a look and see what the webcam actually looks like. It's already kind of open, so let's just open it up. It came like this. So we have, that's about it. That's all there is to it. This is it. This is what the webcam looks like. So yeah, it's a very sleek design. You will see that this is the 5-pixel camera right over here. This has a stand. You can basically make it stand like this. It's not bad actually. So it also has a swivel to it, so you can angle it according to your preference. What else is there? Yeah, this is the 1.58 meter long cable. I'm not going to take it out. It looks pretty thick. And it also comes with a cable tie, so tangling won't be that much of an issue. And this is a volume rocker for when you want to control the volume. As mentioned earlier, this particular webcam comes with a built-in mic. I think this is the whole for it. And that's all you'll find inside the box containing the Zebronics Zeb-Crisp Pro web camera. Thank you for watching.